So I'm going to tell you what my billionaire boss taught me about why most people will never create wealth. Do not get your feelings hurt. He was absolutely right. So he said the reason why most people will never create wealth is because they refuse to let go of who they currently are. Basically, what he's saying is they refuse to change. They refuse to change who they are in order to step into who they want to be. He said that most people will never do the work, the internal work that's required to reach high levels of wealth. Why? Because the memories of our past are stronger than the vision that we want to create for our future. I'm going to say that again. The memories of our past are stronger than the future that we want to create for ourselves, the vision of the future that we want to create for ourselves. He was basically saying that most people romance their past every single day on repeat, over and over and over. They're thinking about the mistakes, the losses, the trauma, tragedies. Did you know that 90% of people think the exact same thoughts every single day, and they are thoughts of the past? So his point was that the money is not the hard part, right? Money is just energy. You can attract money, you can make money, everyone can do that. But the hard part is the mind, is actually reprogramming your mind to become something else, even though you're not there yet. So what he's saying is what I teach all the time. You have to become the thing you want to become before it comes. He said the bottom line is most people are too tied to their past in order to create the future that they desire. That's the bottom line. And he said that's the reason why most people will never create wealth, because they're holding on to the past version of themselves and they can't step into the future version of themselves now, even though the things in their lives do not reflect it yet. So always remember, the universe is a mirror of you. It will only give to you, it will only send back to you who and what you already are. The energy, the vibration, the frequency of who you are now. You have to embody your wealthy self now. And that is the secret that most wealthy people know and you don't, is that you have to become the thing you want to become now. If you are ready to step into your wealthy self, if you are ready to do the work, I want you to tap the link in my profile, take my free money manifesting and wealth building masterclass. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this easily, effortlessly, and on autopilot every single day.